Are your traction motor brushes and brush holders? A, inspection. B, the removal. The C, the installation. B, the adjustment. The B and B. That's initial setup. Tools kit SC494097CL E16 small spring scale. Materials parts 1/8 of an inch diameter drill rod. Items 27 Appendix E. Note the two motors can use the traction motor can use two types of brushes. One is all carbon and the other is metal sheathed. Inspection of the carbon brushes more than 1/8 of an inch clearance between the spring fingers and the brush holder housing. Inspect the metal sheath brushes for more than 1/4 inch and clearance between the end of the brushing and the metal sheathing. Use the spring scale, checking the spring tension between the 8 and 10 pounds. Make sure the brush is not sticking, oily, or broken. Make sure that there is a clearance of 1/8 of an inch between the brush holder and commutator. If required, disconnect the latch. Remove the top cover 2. Remove the 4 screws 3. Lock washers 4, and remove the bottom cover 5. No, if only the brushes are unserviceable, they can be replaced without removing the brush holders. Remove the screw 6, lock washer 7, flat washer 8, remove the spring 9, remove the brush 10. If required, to disconnect the electrical lead from the brush holder 14, remove the bolt L and lock washer 12 and the clamp 13, remove the brush holder. Alright, the installation. Position the brush holder 14 in the traction motor. Install the clamp 13 and bolt 11 and lock washer 12 with the finger tighten the bolt only with the finger tighten the bolt only. Connect the electrical leads. Raise the spring 9, install the brushes 10, release the spring until install the screw 6, lock washer 7 and flat washer 8. Keep the underside of the brush holder carbon box with a minimum of 1/8 of an inch of the communicator tighten bolt with 11. Alright, 13 adjustment. Adjustment. Connect the small spring scale with the spring directly over the brush and pull straight up the line with the brush travel until the spring is just cleared over the brush. The pressure should be between 8 and 10 pounds. And adjust the spring pressure as follows. Insert a piece of 1/8 of an inch diameter drill rod in the tension bar barrel and relieve the tension on the cotter pin. Remove the cotter pin and decrease the tension as required, rotating the tension barrel. Install the cotter pin, check the tension, start the locomotive in accordance with paragraph 210-211, apply the soft stone communicator, run with the locomotive at half speed, no load. The communicator is polished, brushes are seated. Position the bottom of the cover, install the cap screws 3, lock washer 4, install the top cover 2, and secure with latch 1.